Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back in my channel, Dr. Satyendra Kumar. Dear friends, if you want this type of videos relative to mathematics for higher level, then you need to subscribe, share and like my videos and my channel. Today we will discuss gamma function, beta function and its application. Continue. Compute the integral first part, integral limit 0 to infinity x to the power 1 by 4 e to the power under root x dx. Second, integral 0 to 1 x to the power 3 1 minus x cube whole power 1 upon 2 dx has been come AKTU 2014, 2018. Answer. First part, integral limit 0 to infinity x to the power 1 by 4 e to the power minus under root x dx equal integral limit 0 to infinity x to the power 1 by 4 e to the power under root x dx. Now put in this integration x to the power half equal to t. It is x is equal to t square. Now squaring both sides. Then dx is equal to 2t dt. Now integral limit change x to t when x is equal to 0, t equal to 0, x equal to infinity, t equal to infinity, x that is t to the power square 1 by 4 e to the power under root x that is t dx 2t dt. Now 2 integral 0 to infinity e to the power minus t to the power 3 by 2 dt. This equal to integral limit 0 to infinity e to the power minus t to the power 5 by 2 minus 1 dt. Now definition of gamma function, 2 gamma 5 by 2. Now 5 by 2 gamma 3 by 2 1 by 2 under root pi. Now cancel by this is equal to 3 by 2 under root pi is a answer. Now second part, integral limit 0 to 1 x to the power 3 1 minus x cube whole power 1 upon 2 dx equal integral limit 0 to 1 x to the power 3 by 2 1 minus x cube whole power 1 upon 2 negative dx. Now put in this integral x cube equal to y. Now x equal y power 1 upon 3 dx equal 1 upon 3 y to the power minus 2 by 3 dy. Now limit of y, x equal to 0, y equal to 0, x equal to 1, y is equal to 1, x that is y to the power 3 1 by 3 whole power 3 by 2, 3 by cancel this, 1 minus y whole power minus k half 1 by 3 y to the power minus 2y3 dy. Now 1 upon 3 integral limit 0 to 1. Now y to the power 1 by 2 minus 2y3 1 minus y whole power minus 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2 minus 1 dy. Now calculating this 1 upon 3 integration limit 0 to 1 y to the power minus 1 by 6. 1 minus y whole power 1 by 2 minus 1 dy. Now one integral, that is 1 upon 3 integral limit 0 to 1 y to the power 5 by 6 minus 1 minus y whole power 1 upon 2 minus 1 dy. Now by the definition of beta function 1 upon 3, this is equal to beta or b 5 by 6 comma 1 by 2. Now 1 upon 3, this convert into gamma 1 upon 5 upon 6 gamma 1 upon 2 gamma 5 by 6 plus 1 by 2. Now gamma 5 by 6 1 by 2, that is under root pi under root upon 3. Now this value is equal to gamma 4 by 3. Now next problem. To show first part integral limit 0 to infinity x to the power c upon c to the power x dx equal to gamma c plus 1 upon log c whole power c plus 1 where c greater than 1. Now second part BMM equal 2 to the power 1 minus 2m or beta or b m half. Now third part integral limit 0 to pi by 2 10 to the power nx dx. The value of this pi by 2 sec n pi by 2. Answer. First part integral limit 0 to infinity, that is left hand side 0 to infinity x to the power c to the power x dx equal to 0 to infinity x to the power c or c to the power minus x dx, 0 to infinity x to the power c e to the power log c to the power minus x dx. The value of e to the power log c to the power minus x is equal to c to the power minus x. Now we can write integral limit 0 to infinity x to the power c e to the power minus x log c dx. Now put x log c equal to t, dx equal to dt upon log c. Now putting in this x equal to t upon log c whole power c e to the power minus t. Now dx dt upon log c. This is the limit of x. Now convert into limit of t when x is equal to 0 to t equal to 0, x equal to infinity, t equal to infinity. Therefore left hand side equal log c is common 1 upon log c whole power c plus 1 integral 0 to infinity t to the power c e to the power of minus t dt. Now 1 upon log c whole power c plus 1 integral 0 to infinity e to the power of minus t to the power c plus 1 minus 1 dt. Now this is the value of gamma c plus 1. Gamma c plus 1 upon log c whole power c plus 1. This is equal to right hand side. Now second problem, second part, right hand side. This is equal to 2 to the power 1 minus 2m b m comma half. This is equal to 2 power 1 minus 2m gamma m gamma half gamma m plus half. We know that duplication formula. Duplication formula gamma m plus half is equal to 2 to the power 2m minus 1 gamma m gamma 2m under root pi. This is the value of gamma m plus half by duplication formula. Now putting the value of gamma m plus half from duplication formula, then we get 2 to the power 1 minus 2m gamma m gamma half under root pi upon value of gamma m plus half. Now gamma 2m under root pi upon 2 to the power 2m minus 1 gamma m. Now this cancel by this, or this is equal to 2 to the power 1 minus 2m 2 to the power 2m minus 1 gamma m upon gamma 2m. This cancel by this. Now this is equal to gamma m upon gamma m plus m, that is beta or b m comma m. This is equal to left hand side. Now third part, integral left hand side. This is equal to integral limit 0 to pi by 2 tan to the power n x dx. This is equal to integral limit 0 to pi by 2 sin to the power nx cos to the power nx dx. 0 to pi by 2 sin to the power nx cos to the power minus n x dx. Now putting the formula of gamma term, gamma n plus 1 by 2 gamma minus n plus 1 by 2 2 gamma n minus n plus 2 upon 2 n cancel by this. This is equal to 1 by 2 gamma 1 n plus 1 by 2 gamma 1 minus n upon 2 or gamma 1. This is equal to 1. Now 1 upon 2 gamma n plus 1 gamma 1 minus n upon 2 upon 2. This is equal to equation number first, value of left hand side. But we know that gamma n gamma 1 minus n equal to pi upon sin n pi. This is the important relation. Now in this relation we put n equal to n plus 1 by 2, then we get gamma n plus 1 by 2, gamma 1 minus n plus 1 by 2. This is equal to pi upon sine n plus 1 by 2 pi. Now gamma n plus 1 by 2, gamma taking LCM 1 minus n upon 2, this is equal to pi sine, that is converted into cos n pi by 2. Now putting the value gamma n plus 1 by 2, gamma 1 minus n by 2 in equation number first, then we get, now from equation first, left hand side equal to 1 upon 2 pi cos n pi by 2, this is equal to pi by 2 sec n pi by 2, this is equal to right hand side. Now this is complete. Now next problem, compute the integral number first, integral limit 0 to x 8 minus x cube whole power 1 upon 3 dx, second part 0 to infinity dx 1 plus x to the power 4, third part 0 to 1 dx upon under root 1 plus x की whole power 4, number fourth integral limit 0 to 1 y to the power q minus 1 log 1 upon y whole power p minus 1 dy, where p comma q both are positive. Answer. First part, integral limit 0 to 2 x 8 minus x cube whole power 1 upon 3 dx, this is equal to integral limit 0 to 2 x 8 minus x cube whole power 1 upon 3 dx. Now put x cube equal to 8 sine square theta. Now x is equal to 2 sine whole power 2 by 3 theta. Now dx is equal to 2 into 2 upon 3 sine to the power minus 1 upon 3 theta cos theta d theta. Now this is equal to, now limit of x change in limit of theta, x is equal to 0, theta is equal to 0, x is equal to 2, theta is equal to pi by 2. X, that is 2 sine to the power 2 by 3 theta, 8 minus 8 sine square theta whole power 1 upon 3. Now dx 4 by 3 sine to the power minus 1 upon 3 theta cos theta d theta. Now 8 by 3, now common 8, this is equal to 2, limit 0 to pi by 2, value of sine 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3, that is 1 by 3 theta. Now 1 minus sine square theta cos square theta, cos to the power 2 by 3 equal to 1 power of this. Now cos to the power 5/3 theta d theta. This is equal to 16/3. Now applying gamma formula. Gamma 1/3 plus 1 upon 2. Gamma 5/3 plus 1 upon 2 to gamma 1/3 plus 5/3 plus 2 upon 2. This is equal to 8/3 gamma. Now 4/3 into 2. Now gamma 2/3. This is equal to gamma 8/. This is equal to 4/3. Now this is equal to 2 plus 2 4. Gamma 2. Now we get 8/3 gamma 2/3. This is equal to 1 plus 1/3. Now 8/3, 1/3, gamma 1/3, gamma 2/3. This is equal to 8 upon 9, gamma 1/3, 2/3. Now we compute value of gamma 1/3, gamma 2/3 with the help of our important formula. Gamma n, gamma 1 minus n, pi upon sin n pi. Now put n equal to 1/3, then gamma 1/3, gamma 1 minus 1/3, that is 2/3, pi upon sin pi/3. This is equal to pi, value of pi/3, under root 3/2. This is equal to 2 pi upon under root 3. Now value of this put in this, then we get in this. This is equal to 8/9 2 pi upon under root 3. This is equal to 16 upon 9 under root 3 pi. This is the complete answer. Now second part, integral limit 0 to infinity dx upon 1 plus x to the power 4. This is equal to integral limit 0 to infinity dx upon 1 plus x to the power 4. Now put x to the power 4 is equal to y. Now x is equal to y to the power 1 upon 4. That is dx is equal to 1/4 or y to the power minus k 3/4 dy. Now putting in this the limit of y 0 to infinity, value of dx 1/4 y to the power minus 3/4 dy upon 1 plus y. This is equal to 1/4 integral limit 0 to infinity y to the power 1/4 minus 1 upon 1 plus y into dy. Since we know that integral limit 0 to infinity x to the power n minus 1 dx upon 1 plus x equal to pi upon sin n pi. By using this formula in this position, then we get value of integral. Now n is equal to 1/4. Now value of this is equal to 1/4 pi upon sin pi/4. Value of sin pi/4 is equal to pi upon 4. This is equal to pi under root 2 by 1 by under root 2. Sorry, this is equal to pi under root 2 by 4. This is the integral. Now third part, integral limit 0 to 1 dx upon under root 1 plus x to the power 4. This is equal to integral limit 0 to 1 dx upon under root 1 plus x to the power 4. Now put x square equal to tan theta to 2x dx equal to sec square theta d theta. Now dx is equal to sec square theta d theta upon 2 value of x under root tan theta. This is equal to x is equal to 0, tan theta is equal to 0. Now theta is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, then theta is equal to pi by 4 dx sec square theta d theta upon 2 under root tan theta. Now under root 1 plus tan square theta, that is sec square theta. Now 1 cancel by power this is equal to limit 0 to pi by 4, 1 by 2 common, sec theta d theta upon under root tan theta. Now 1 upon 2 integral limit 0 to pi by 2 d theta upon under root sin theta cos theta. Now this is equal to 1 upon under root 2 limit 0 to pi by 4 d theta upon under root sin 2 theta. Now put 2 theta is equal to t, d theta is equal to dt upon 2. This is equal to 1 upon under root 2 limit 0 to pi by 2 d theta is equal to dt by 2 under root sin t. Now 1 upon 2 under root 2 limit 0 to pi by 2 sin to the power minus half t dt. 1 upon 2 under root 2. Now using gamma formula, minus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 gamma 0 plus 1 by 2 gamma minus 1 by 2 plus 0 plus 2 upon 2. This is equal to 1 upon 4 under root 2 gamma 1 by 4. This is equal to under root pi. Now 3 by 4. Now 1 by 4 under root 2 under root pi gamma 1 by 4 multiplied and divide. Now gamma 1 by 4, gamma 3 by 4. Now gamma n, gamma 1 minus n, pi upon sin n pi, apply again. Put n equal to 1 by 4, gamma 1 by 4, gamma 3 by 4 is equal to pi sin pi by 4. This is equal to pi 1 upon under root 2, that is pi under root 2. Value of this putting, then we get under root pi 4 under root 2 gamma 1 by 4 whole square. Now pi under root 2. This is equal to cancel by this gamma 1 by 4 whole square. Now under root 2 2 into 4 8 or under root pi. This is a complete answer. Now fourth part, integral limit 0 to 1 y to the power q minus 1 log 1 upon y whole power p minus 1 dy. This is equal to integral limit 0 to 1 y to the power q minus 1 log 1 upon y whole power p minus 1 dy. Now put log 1 upon y is equal to t. Now y is equal to e to the power minus t, dy equal to minus e to the power minus t dt. This equal, this is the limit of y. Now changing in limit t, this will be convert infinity to 0. Now value of y, e to the power minus t whole power q minus 1 log 1 upon y is equal to t whole power p minus 1 dy minus e to the power minus t dt minus changing the limit of integral, this is equal to 0 to infinity e to the power minus tq plus t minus t, this is combined of both power, t to the power p minus 1 dt, this cancel by this. Now the value of this integral gamma p or upon q to the power p, q to the power p, this is equal to complete solution. Now next problem, to show that integral limit 0 to 1 dx upon under root 1 minus x to the power n, this is equal to under root pi n gamma 1 upon n or gamma 1 upon n plus 1 upon 2. Proof, integral limit 0 to 1 dx upon under root 1 minus x to the power n, integral limit 0 to 1 dx upon under root 1 minus x to the power n. Now put x to the power n equal to sin square theta, x equal to sin whole power 2 upon n theta dx 2 upon n sin whole power 2 upon n minus 1 theta cos theta d theta. Now limit of x converted into limit of theta, x is equal to 0, theta is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, theta equal to pi by 2, dx equal 2 upon n sin whole power 1 2 upon n minus 1 theta cos theta d theta under root 1 minus sin square theta, 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos theta, cancel by this. Now this is equal to 2 upon n integral limit 0 to pi by 2 sin whole power 2 upon n minus 1 theta to cos 0 power theta d theta. Now using formula of in terms of gamma function, gamma 2 upon n minus 1 plus 1 upon 2, gamma 0 plus 1 upon 2, 2, gamma 2 upon n minus 1 plus 0 plus 2 upon 2. Now this cancel by this, this is equal to 2 cancel by this is equal to 1 upon n, this is equal to gamma 1 upon n, gamma half under root pi, or this is equal to gamma 2 upon n plus 1 upon 2. Now 1 upon n, gamma 1 upon n under root pi upon gamma 1 upon n plus 1 upon 2 under root pi. This is equal to complete solution, that is right hand side. Now complete solution.